Hello friends, welcome to the lesson 10 of free affiliate marketing tutorial. In this lesson, we'll launch a profitable campaign that will help us to make sales through the website that we have already built. So in this lesson, we'll create a brand new campaign, and to do so you need to you have already I have already taught you to make Microsoft ad account and get $100 free ad credit. So now you can click on campaign, and after that you go to create campaign and click there. Now you need to click visit to my website. Just follow everything step by step. Now name this campaign whatever type product you are promoting, just write the name of that product. So I can write anti aging cream. Okay, I'll write it. Now you need to decide how much you want to invest per day. So in the beginning I would suggest you to invest either $10 or $20. It's your choice. Now you need to select the country you want to target. If you want to target United States, you can click here, and you can choose any specific country to target to show your ads. So actually your ad will be shown on a search engine like this. Okay, so if you search any kind of anti aging cream, then your ad will be shown anywhere in here like this. It is similar to Google. And when you make a campaign on Microsoft ads, and then your ad will show here. Now we have selected the budget that we want to invest, and let's target United States for example. So firstly then you need to see this, who should see your ads, people in your targeted location. So just only tick mark this, and the language that our ad will appear is English, so you'll tick on English. And then after that you just simply click on save and go to next step. Now here we need to put keyword. To put keyword, just right click here and open link in new tab. Now we need to do keyword research. So to do keyword research, we'll go to that tab which we have opened. Just click on tools, and in second click on research keywords. Once you do that much, then just go to your website, and we will target people who are searching for best anti-aging creams, and we'll show our ad by saying top 5 best anti-aging creams, and they will come to our site and read our article, and if they are interested they will click and they will buy, and we'll get a cut of commission. So to do so, just select copy best anti-aging cream and then put it here. And now in advanced targeting option, see which country you have selected. So we are targeting United States, so here you need to select United States. And now just simply click on search. Now you'll see various recommendation here. So these are the keywords that we can use, and these are the last month searches, and these are the impression that these keywords got, meaning these keywords are able to show ads to people this much time in a month. However, it is not accurate, but you can have a little understanding from that. And these are the clicks that keyword received, and CTR means the amount of ad click that happened whenever the ad was shown. Just here in previous month there was 201 impression, 201 people, I mean ad was shown 201 time and it got 10 clicks, and that's why its CTR is 4.98%. And the amount of bid is 0.84. You don't need to bid that much high. And the total amount spent in this keyword was 8.39. I'm just giving a brief overview. It is not that much important. So now what you can do is you go to clicks and make a left click here, and again 2 times. Then you'll see a hierarchy from top keywords that are getting clicks. Now you can simply copy it and go to your campaign tab, and in keyword section you can paste that keyword. So you can keep on bringing keywords, as many keywords that are related to the products that you are promoting. You can keep on bringing those keywords. And let's say you have a list of keywords here. Now what you need to do is you need to put this bracket in the keyword. Okay, I'll tell you why it is important. So you can select another keyword, you'll bring here, you'll put a bracket and paste it here and close that bracket. So by putting this bracket, you are saying saying to Microsoft Ads that only show the people that are searching exactly this term, only show my ads to those people who are exactly searching for this keyword. So if someone search best wrinkle cream today, then your ad will not be shown. Your ad will only be shown when people exactly type best wrinkle cream. So that is important to get lower amount of clicks and higher amount of sales. So just do that and name this ad group. It is my anti-aging product, so I'll write anti-aging ad group or something like that. You can write it. So you firstly need to copy all these keywords and then paste it here, or you can also make a notepad and make your keyword like this, put your keyword like this and close all the brackets and paste it here. I'll also put this format in the description of this video. So once you have researched the keyword and kept it here, then after that you just click on save and go to next step. Now it's time for us to create an ad. Just click on create ad. Now you need to put your website URL in this final URL section. So you have an option to select expanded text ad or responsive search ad. You just select expanded text ad. It is already selected here. So now you can put your website URL here and in here. So what you need to do, you just copy your domain from https to .com and put this slash also. Just copy it and paste it here and here. So here is the ad that will appear on bing.com. So now you need to put title. Now put the title, whatever your title of the page is, top 5 best anti-aging cream. So this I have made a format for this that I will make, that you will need to primarily make before making this campaign, or you can just put these ad details for future use by organizing in this way. Just click on copy and paste here. Just make it like top 5 best anti-aging cream, top 5 best anti-aging cream. So it matches our website title. So now in title part 2, put something interesting about discount, or let's say if people are searching for anti-aging cream, they want to look good, they want to feel good by making their skin look younger, right? Write something that attracts people to click our ad. So in my case, I have, we have provided lots of discount in this fixed price. This is of fixed price and this is buy 2 get 1 free. So what I have wrote is get discount and best results. So that means if people view our ad, then they will find best discounts and the product that can give them best result regarding to anti-aging cream. To get the title idea, you can also just search in Google and see what type of searches are getting more clicks, like in this 13 best anti-wrinkle creams and serums. You can get idea by reading these things to put what to put on your title, or you can even read your own article to extract some interesting point, because when we have hired a content writer to make this article, we have told him that put some interesting facts in these products that people would love to read. So that kind of any interesting fact that you can put here, and if you have some heavy discount, you can put about that also in this title. Now we need to now ignore this title part 3. You can even write 2020 here if it is 2020. Now if it is 2022, then you can write it 2022. That's up to you. You can write, but I suggest you to just write title 1 and title 2. And then now you need to put add text. Like add text means this thing. Now here you need to do, so I'm trying to sell an anti-aging cream, so I need to make people feel good by saying that these 5 products are top and best among the best that can help you achieve your goal. So I have made this sentence that I'll show you how I have made. So what I have made is using best anti-aging cream can make a real difference in how your skin looks and feels. So it really feel people good, and this also can help you to get sales in your through your article. So I have just simply copied some lines and edited it, like treating fine lines and wrinkle doesn't necessarily require a trip to cosmetic surgeon. Regularly using, okay, I have copied that from my own website. Like regularly using anti-aging products such as night cream, eye cream can make a real difference in how your skin looks and feel. I have edited this line and made this thing, and now my product have discounts also. So in add text 2, I will use something like this. We have brought top 5 best anti-aging cream which is best among best with huge discounts. So now I can literally copy this and then put it at here. So now our ad is ready. Now after this, you just click on save. So these things are also important, like site link extensions and price extension, custom callout extension. So these things are important in one case, if we are bidding high, like if we are bidding $2 per keyword, if we are bidding $5 per keyword, then it is important for us to write some interesting point on this site link extension. So site link extensions means, simply let me show you. Mm, let's say Microsoft ads and search it. So the so normally your search would seem like this. The ad we have made right now will appear in this form, in this kind of form, top 5 best anti-aging cream and some description in here. But if you put site link extension, then these are called the site link extensions in advertisement. So you will be able to show people some extra information like this: sign into Microsoft, and this like 24 hours free shipping and 50% discount, 30% discount, and anything other that are related to our article. You can add this, but we are not bidding too high, that's why we will not make that, and you can learn about this in future. to use. I'll also make videos that are related to these kind of things, like site link extension, price extension, call out extension. So you can add call out extensions also, but it is also not necessary for current context, because we are bidding too low to get maximum conversion. So now what you can do is, you can now simply save and go to the next step. So our daily budget is $20, and I request you to, in this bidding section, bidding strategy, you select enhance CPC, adjust my bid to get more conversions. Okay, don't select manual and maximize, just select this. So now here you can see our default bid is $1, and we are not going to pay $1 per click. So what you can do is, you can start bidding from either 10 cent, or you can, in maximum you can start from 20 cent. But in starting your account will also be new, so if you bid too low, then it will be hard for Microsoft ad to show your ad. So you can start bidding from 20 cents, and I will also tell you how you can gradually increase your bid after you get some data in your ad account. So let's start from bidding from 0.20 cent, and it says that we will get a monthly click of $146, and 146 clicks, I'm sorry, and a monthly impression of 1915, and our estimated monthly spend would be $2.74. So this is just an overview, it is not so important. Now you can click on advanced campaign strategy setting, and this one is important, you should not miss to do this. Okay, so just click on advanced campaign setting, and then in ad distribution. So here are three things, you don't look at any other thing, just select Bing, AOL and Yahoo search. So if you will select all, then your ad will be shown on Bing also, and in other random website also that are associated with Microsoft ads. So it is not good for your campaign. So that's why just select Bing, AOL. We want people, those who search about best anti-aging cream, and Microsoft ad will serve our ads to those people who are searching for that exact terms. We don't want to show our ads to various websites that are related to Microsoft ads. So just after you click on here, then you just click on save. So once you have saved this, now you have done almost everything. Now your ad seems like this. Now it will take up to 24 hours to approve your ad, and once your ad is approved, you can go to keywords, and then you can move this a little bit and see what, and just click on this delivery. Let me forward it. Just click on these three dots in any. So why it is happening, I am not understanding. So just click on these things and you will see the information. If you click on here, then it will show you showing ads right now. Then it is saying you need to add font to your, I don't have a font in this account, so that's why it is saying that. Once the review is completed in 24 hours, then you will be able to see some clicks and your spend. You will start to see some clicks and your average cost per click and the impression that you have got and the spend you have made here. And what happens now, sometimes 20 cent would be too low for some keywords, and they will start to suggest some bid here. So they will show here, you should bid here 39 cent, $1, 50 cent, and what you can simply do is you can click on the here and select the bid they are suggesting if you want to increase the bid, or you can also select here and select anywhere there and increase the bid. So you should keep on checking these things and increase the bid or decrease the bid of the certain keywords. So now after doing this, after your ad start to run, So you will start to get some sales that you can check in your affiliate network that you have joined and got link and you have kept it here. And once you notice that, let's say, because we have already launched a campaign, let's say we got many conversion in this product. Now what happens is, so this product didn't get conversion or this product got low amount of conversion. So what you should do is you just visit your website and you just copy this. Okay, so just simply copy everything from title to, sorry, heading to here. So this product seems to be converting very much. Now we just click on copy and go to your WordPress dashboard and go to your page section. We have made this post on page. So go to page and click here on edit. Now what we are going to do is we will put this product on top and this product in down, so that it will help us to get more conversions. So you have already copied this. Okay, you have already copied this. Now you just select this from here to wherever it is, just and click on delete. Okay, once you do that, just go here and hit a enter and press Ctrl B and it will be pasted in the top. Now just change here 1 and just make it 2. Now click on preview changes. So now previously our post used to seems like this. Rapid wrinkle repair was in top and multi correction was in second. But now in our new, multi correction would be in our top and rapid wrinkle would be in our second. Okay, and just click on update. So now our article will seem like this. So maybe we'll maybe we have got some great amount of conversion in this fourth, then we copy it and simply go to their edit and put it in the top. So whichever you get conversion, you just keep it at top so that people will see that product instantly and buy more from us. So in that way you can edit the article. Now everything is ready. We have already launched our campaign. Now we are ready to see some profits, and now what we will do is, now in next lesson I will teach you something about internal linking and outbound linking. So this is important for a long term affiliate marketing business in perspective of SEO. So we'll make some posts. We'll make some post and then we'll link it to certain text here, and when people read that article, just like let's say we hired a content writer to write a review of multi correction, then we can put here related, you can learn more about multi correction from here, and that when people click that link, then our another web page will open where we have fully reviewed this product. So that will also help us get good amount of conversion, and in terms of search engine optimization it is very good thing to do. So we'll do that. We'll make up to 5 posts by hiring content writer once. So because once you do run ad, you will start to see some sales, and then you can reinvest those money, those profits that you'll start to get from your campaign, and hire content writer, or you can write it by yourself if you can. But it is it would be best if you hire a content writer to write this kind of reviews article, so they know about, they can research about these things properly, and they will write and give you that article which you can add in post and then link it from your this page which you are running paid ads. And then we'll also send some external links, and in that way we are planning for a long term success, and which will give us earning in the future even if we don't run paid ads. So in next lesson we'll talk about five other posts that are related to sort in individual product reviews, and then we'll talk about internal linking and external linking. So up to now you have almost completed the lessons that I wanted to teach you for absolutely free. I hope you are happy, and I'll also make I'll also bring other more articles and videos that are related to affiliate marketing. You'll keep on learning. You'll never stop learning through my website and channel. So if you are on my YouTube, please do subscribe my channel so that you can get latest info on affiliate marketing and latest things that you can implement in your affiliate marketing journey. So for today, I want to take a leave now. I hope this video was easy for you to understand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.